Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how we get down. I get straight to the point. Working on a Chrysler 200 4-cylinder. If you do not feel like going all the way down and pulling out a battery to disconnect it to do any kind of work, I'm getting ready to change the alternator. You can come right here. You can disconnect it right here or right there. I would always disconnect it at the ground and go from there, and then you could do any kind of work. And then when you're ready, you can connect that back, and then you got your power to your battery. Otherwise, you have to come all the way down here, pull this tire off, pull out the fender, and all this other crazy stuff. You don't have to do that. Just pull the ground off. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.